darlings, it's Miss Iridescent here. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to catch this fabulous look. Unless you think it's mediocre, in that case you can just laugh for a good like 5 minutes. But it'll be festive, it'll be fierce.
Hi my darlings, let's get into it. Today's look doesn't require a lot of eyeshadow, but it does take a lot of skill. Well, kind of, I did it, it can't be that hard. First we map out the crease using brown eyeshadow. Use a light brown so you can blend it away if you need to. Then we're going to go over that once we have it where we like it with black shadow, just to really define and deepen the crease. You want to take your time with this and make sure it comes out as best as possible. Then you're going to clean up the underside of the crease using our concealer. Don't worry about setting it, we're going to use glitter and that'll set it later. After you're done carving out underneath your crease, take your black liquid liner and do your wings. You're using the same technique as the last video, you're just not connecting it to your crease. Once you have it all filled in, and don't forget you can use eyeshadow to make it set faster, then you take your glitter primer and you go right under your crease where you put your concealer. Using your finger, I'm going to put NYX glitter on my eye. The reason I use my finger is because it picks up more glitter and doesn't gum up or mess up the brushes. So then we're going to really get it right on there and make it nice and clean. Then once we've added the glitter, we can go in with our liquid liner and just go over that crease that we've already drawn out. Don't worry about messing it up, you can clean it up with glitter or even more concealer if you need to. Makeup can be as dramatic or as soft as you like it. It comes down to personal taste. Once we finish the top, we then add a little bit of black liner on the bottom. Add one right in the middle of your eye, one to connect the wing on the side, and then one in your inner corner. Those are the guides for where we're going to put our bottom lashes. I love the look of individual spiky lashes. Now in between each black dot, you're going to add a little dab of concealer and set it with white Ben Nye Super White powder. It's going to create this really cool gap effect. You can also use liquid white liner or a cream eyeshadow, whichever your preference is. Now we're going to add lashes. If you saw Monday's video, you saw how I stacked them, but the way I put them on is I put them on my black liner, and then I add a little bit of glue on top of my crease and glue the ends of my lashes up to my brow bone. It creates a very lifting effect. Because of the way the lashes were sitting, I extended the detached crease on top a little bit further out so you could see it once I did my lash. The bottom lashes are super simple. You get a nice pair of spiky lashes and then just cut them. When cutting bottom lashes, make sure you go towards the band first because you have more control. Then you just place them on the middle and outer portions of the black lines. You can darken it later. Now for the ridiculous of the lips. Yes, I use a bunch of different layers. Everything you see has gone on my lips. I don't really just wear lipsticks. It's really embarrassing. But because I use so much stuff, it creates a buildup. So when I overdo my lips, it looks like they're plumper, because they are. A lot of concealer, a lot of gloss. Start with a dark base, go slightly lighter, add a little bit of concealer, and then just mix a bunch of glosses. Really up to your preference. Once you've done, add a little bit more highlighter and your finishing touches, and you're finished.
And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, tell your friends. If you didn't, tell your enemies. And please, please, please make sure you're registered to vote. A very big thing is happening in November in America. And it really could change our lives. Being LGBTQIA, it could affect me, it could affect y'all, it affects your brothers and sisters that are of different nationalities or origins, because the amount of racism, homophobia, xenophobia, and everything going on is just unacceptable. So please, 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 I don't care who you vote for. From the bottom of my heart, I really don't. Just make sure you're registered to vote. Because if you don't vote, you really can't disagree with everything going on because you didn't have anything to do with it. So please make sure you're registered to vote. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below. If you didn't like this video, leave us a thumbs up, because then we'll know how many of you didn't like it. And please, please, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'll see you later, my darlings. Bye.